Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to find keywords for affiliate marketing for YouTube, guys. Right, so I'm gonna talk about this, or you can say in this video I'm gonna talk one of the strategy that you can apply to find keywords for affiliate marketing, guys. Right, but guys, before telling this, I just want to say that, guys, if you are beginner and know nothing how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, then down below I have put the link of my own ebook, that is Affiliate Commission Secrets. In that ebook I have revealed everything that you need to know to learn about affiliate marketing business, guys. So yes, if you are beginner, go and check out my ebook, that is Affiliate Commission Secrets. Down below there is a link, guys. Right, so again, now here, by the way, guys, I'm really sorry for that background noise by birds, because there is a tree outside this room, so I'm sorry for that, guys. Right, so guys, now here, how to find keywords for affiliate marketing, especially when you are doing affiliate marketing for YouTube, guys. Right, so guys, here one of the strategy I'm gonna show you is that, guys, simply what you have to do first, can you see that A, right, and type your niche name, as in my case it is affiliate marketing, right? So affiliate marketing, so you can see, guys, these are the keywords, right, that I can pick for creating video for my YouTube, guys. Right, you can see A, and then B, can you see that? Best affiliate marketing websites and best niche for affiliate marketing 2021, or now it can be 2022, guys. Right, B, C, can you see that? So this is my one of the strategy, guys, that I use whenever I am, you can say, going to target any keywords, right? Whenever I do any research for keywords, so this is one of the strategy that I use. C, D, and E, right? You can see email list, affiliate marketing, so that you can do, guys. Right, and same thing, guys, you can do here, guys. Affiliate marketing A, affiliate marketing Amazon, affiliate marketing Amazon account, then same thing B, can see that affiliate marketing beginners, best platform, blog कैसे बनाए, it's in Hindi, guys. Right, C, affiliate marketing course, can you see that, guys? Right, so that strategy you can use, guys. Right, A, B, C, D, E, F, you can go on and on and on, guys. Right, and now, and one more thing that you can do, that how, like, what question that people ask, how, what, so that you can type how, then type your niche name, affiliate marketing. So how affiliate, you can see that these are the keywords, guys, that people are asking, that starts from how. Same thing, what affiliate marketing is and how it works, you can see how, what, where. Right, so ask that question, you can say that how people ask, how, where, what, which, can you see that? Which affiliate marketing is best in India? Can you see that, guys? Can you see the magic? YouTube is showing you that yes, these are the keywords that people are searching, that starts with the you can say word which, how, where, what. You can see that, guys. What is affiliate marketing? What is BizGuruCool affiliate marketing? What is LeadShark affiliate marketing? What is affiliate marketing in Telugu? What is ClickBank affiliate marketing? What is affiliate marketing Malayalam? What is affiliate marketing, and how to earn money from affiliate marketing? Right, so that you can do, guys. Right, and same thing, guys, like you can use word like in, at, in, right? Type your niche name, and then after the niche name type in. You can see that, guys, in Hindi, in Tamil, in Telugu, in Amazon, Instagram, Canada. In, you can use on, Pinterest, Instagram, Amazon, YouTube, Facebook, right? In, on, or you can type at Amazon, at 16, at home, for right, in Hindi, right? And then yes, you can type for, right, for beginners, for students, for free, for Amazon, right? And for, from Instagram, from mobile, from scratch, from Facebook, from Amazon, from YouTube, right? So these are the words you can use, guys. And what else? You can use with, yes, you can use this word, affiliate marketing with Google Ads, affiliate marketing with Instagram, right? Pinterest, with Amazon, with Facebook ads. And you can use like without a website, without investment, without money, without social media, right? So you can see that, guys, there are so many keywords that you can use, guys, right, for your affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is good or bad, is halal or haram. That's great. Affiliate marketing is fake, is easy or hard, is it worth it, right? You can see, right, is as a career, as a teenager, as a business, right, as a side hustle, right, that you can use, guys, right? Affiliate marketing. And you can use best, yes, best affiliate marketing, right? You can use fastest affiliate marketing traffic sources, fastest way, right? Or you can use same thing, way affiliate marketing, way of best, yeah, that will be good, best way. You can type right, you can see how to do affiliate marketing the right way, right? So you can say these are the words, guys, that you can type, and then type your niche name, and then YouTube will show so many keywords, and based on your keyword that you want to rank, you can target, guys. You can create your content, you can create your YouTube video, guys, right? There is another word that you can use in, on, at, for, from, yes, the, that you can use, right? And yeah, affiliate marketing, be an entrepreneur, right? So these are the ways, guys, that you can use to find keywords for affiliate marketing, especially when you are going to create any video for your YouTube channel, guys, for your, I can say, affiliate marketing business, where you are, you can say, where you are getting traffic through YouTube, guys. So this is how you target your keyword, this is how you find your keywords for your affiliate marketing business, guys, right? So this is, you can say, one of the way, guys, one of the way. No doubt there are some other ways too, guys. There are, you can say, tools or software through which you can find your keywords, you can find the volume, that how many people per month searching for this one particular keywords, right? And you can say you can find more stats like from which country, right? Or you can say what is that you can say competition, right? How many chances that you can get rank for this one particular keyword. So there are, you can say, software that you can use, like software like with IQ and YouTube Buddy. By the way, down below I will put the link, you can go and check out, right? And you can check out Uber Suggest, right? So these are the software, guys, that you can use to find your keywords for affiliate marketing, guys, right? These are very, very helpful. But yes, if you go with this strategy that I have just shown you, it is also gonna work, guys, right? If you follow the strategy that I have shown you, guys, right? So yes, guys, this is all about for today, right? And yes, if you have any questions, you can ask your question. I will try my level best to answer you, guys, right? And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please go and subscribe to my channel, guys. And down below there is also bell notification button. Go and hit that bell notification button so that you can get the notification about my upcoming training that are related to affiliate marketing. So if you want to know more about affiliate marketing, then go and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification button, guys, right? So yes, guys, this is all about for today. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Have a nice day. Bye bye, guys.